substance of human body? There is no option. 33 question. Cystitis is the infection of which body part? Cystitis is the infection of which body part? Okay, 34th question is, what compound is a common component, listen it very carefully, what compound is a common component of air pollution but is essential in the upper atmosphere to protect life on earth? What component is a common component of air pollution but is essential in the upper atmosphere to protect life on earth? This is a gas, you have to name that. 35th question, what is the full form of sonar? SONAR. What is the full form of sonar? SONAR. You have to write the full form of these letters. Okay, the 36th question is, yeast used in making bread is what? What is the yeast which is used in making bread? What is that? Is it a bacteria? Is it something else? What is it? Yeast using in a, okay. 37th question. What is the only venomous British snake? Venomous British snake. What is the only venomous British snake? You have to name that snake. Okay, time's up. 38th question. Catalyst used in formation of ammonia. What is that catalyst which is used in formation of ammonia? Written, you can even write the chemical name also. 39th question. World War I was ended in which year? World War I कब खत्म हुई थी? किस साल खत्म हुई थी? Which year it was ended? Okay, 40th question is, how many chambered hearts does fish have? Fish में कितने chambered hearts होते हैं? Number आपको बताना है. How many chambered hearts does fish have? You have to write the number. कितने chambered hearts होते हैं? 41st question. The radioactive, listen it very carefully teams. The radioactive element most commonly detected in human is, the radioactive element most commonly detected in humans. Humans में कौन सा radioactive element होता है जो detect होता है? 42nd question. Which cell does not have cell wall? Cell wall किस cell में नहीं होती है? Which cell does not have a cell wall? There are two types of cell. You have to name which one does not have the cell wall. Written? Okay. 43rd question. Metal that can be easily cut with knife. What is that metal which you can easily cut with knife? Metal that can be easily cut with knife. Okay. 44th question. Tally marks are used to find what? For what you use tally marks? What you find from those tally marks? 45th question is, who is known as father of genetics? Father of genetics कौन है? You have to name that person. Okay, 46th question is, who gave the theory on giraffe's neck? Giraffe की neck पर एक theory दी है किसी ने, उसका नाम बताना है. Who gave the theory on giraffe's neck? Okay, 47th question. Plants get their nitrogen from. Plants को अपना nitrogen किससे मिलता है? Nitrogen कहाँ से मिलता है plants को? Plants को nitrogen कहाँ से मिलता है? Okay, last 3 questions now. You have 50 questions now. This is 48th I am going to say. At what Celsius temperature is water the densest? किस Celsius temperature पे water सबसे dense होता है? कौन सा वो टेम्परेचर है जिस पे वाटर सबसे डेंस होता है? ओके, 49th क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन एन आइस हॉकी टीम? आइस हॉकी टीम में कितने प्लेयर्स होते हैं? एक टीम में कितने प्लेयर्स होते हैं? हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन एन आइस हॉकी टीम? Okay, the last question, everybody. General election in India holds after how many years? कितने साल बाद general elections India में conduct होते हैं? How many years? After how many years general elections are held in India? Done? Everybody? Okay, time is up. Time is up. Everybody, please hand over your sheets of answers. And you've written the names on that sheets? Everybody has written their names? Okay, we'll announce the winners after a few while. There is going to be a lecture, and you can collect your certificates of participations from the department, and the winners will be getting the certificates on the stage. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Participants, please note that the prize distribution will take place. Participants, please note that all those who had participated in the competitions yesterday, that is the Draw Your Science Inspiration, as well as the extempore competition, the prizes and the participation certificates and the winners for those also will be announced today along with the quiz competition. So if you had participated yesterday or you have friends who had participated and have not received their certificates and gifts, please ask them to come. After the lecture we'll have the prize distribution ceremony. Thank you.